What is API testing? Highlights. First, let's hear what is API testing. This testing involves testing of the application interfaces directly as part of the integration testing to determine if the application perfectly meets the user expectations. What does API testing revolve around? First, to ensure the APIs work as expected. Second, to specify and ensure the application can handle the desired load. Third, to establish the APIs work seamlessly through the operating systems and devices. Fourth, to ensure the data that passes through the API is in lieu of compliance and security. Other points mentioned in the blog. How is API testing done? First, set up the environment. Second, define the test plan. Third, make an API call. Fourth, combine data with API tests. How does API testing play a key role? This testing ensures security standards and also confirms that the overall system will perform well even under varying loads or network conditions. What are the best practices for API testing? First, make sure to start with API smoke testing. Second, introduce exact conditions in the API testing phase. Third, track and save the API responses for future. Fourth, ensure to perform negative testing. Fifth, never ignore security tests. Why robust API testing is the future? First, the robust API testing practice helps to verify code, discover the defects at an early stage and evaluate any unwanted code. Second, this testing exposes coding issues that either manual or automated tests might miss. Third, its superiority is that it is far less time-consuming than functional GUI testing. Fourth, this aptly tests the core of your product's functionality, and it is the truth that functionality typically determines the end user's expectations, and other points mentioned in the blog. How can TestingXperts help you with effective API testing? TestingXperts have a good number of expert API testers and provide the perfect environment to test your application interface effectively and efficiently. For more details, read the complete blog on tx.testingexperts.com/API testing, or check the link in the description of video. Also, if you like the video, please don't forget like, comment and share this video. Thanks.